Today our topic is transient response of RC circuit with DC excitation. Okay. In this topic I am considering one circuit. The circuit consisting of one DC voltage source, one resistance, one capacitance. These all elements are connected with a series connection through one switch. Okay. If the switch is closed, simply in the circuit some current is flowing. If the switch is closed, that current is called I current. Now just apply the KVL on the circuit, then we can get some equation. That equation equal to V equal to VR, V equal to VR plus VC. This is a total voltage, voltage across the resistance and the voltage across the capacitance. Okay, just apply the voltage across the resistance formula I into R plus voltage across the capacitance equal to 1 by C integration of I dt. Just neglect this in integration by using differentiation. That by differentiation both sides with respect to t, then we can get some equation. That equation equal to differentiation of v first. That differentiation of v is 0 because of constant, differentiation of constant, and r is a constant, di by dt plus 1 by c. The integration and differentiation both are cancelled. The dt cancel. From this total term I am getting I by C. Now from this equation just divide the R term to two parts. Okay, the R will be divided with two parts, then we can get di by dt plus 1 by CR into I equal to 0. This is the first equation. So this is a first order equation simply. Because of the order is 1, the highest power is 1. Now just find the root of this total first order equation. The total first order equation can be rewritten again, that is d equal to 1 by RC into I. By using this first order differential equation I am getting d equal to minus 1 by RC. Okay, this is a root of this equation, this first order equation. Just take the complementary solution or general solution for this root. If you are taking one root, the general solution is, the complementary function is I equal to k1 into exponential of m1t. Okay, for one root. For example, if you are taking another root, simply you have to add k2 plus k2 into exponential of m2t. Okay, if you are getting two roots. But in this equation, in this first order equation, our order is 1, simply our root also 1. That equation, the complementary function or that response is I equal to k1 into exponential of m1t. Instead of m1, just substitute our root, we are getting equation number 2. That is I equal to k into exponential of minus 1 by RC into t. This is our response in terms of constant, but we need to find the constant term also by using some initial condition of capacitor. What is the initial condition of capacitor? Simply that is t equal to 0. If t equal to 0, t equal to 0 plus, the total system is short circuit. Then we can get k equal to V by R. Substitute this equation k equal to V by R in second equation. The current equation becomes to, the final response of R circuit becomes to I equal to V by R exponential of minus 1 by RC into t. These are final response of transient RC circuit with DC excitation. Now in this we are having some RC. That RC is called time constant. It is represented with tau symbol. It is similar with t only, but it's some curve is there. This is called tau symbol. That tau is called time constant. What is the time constant equation? R into C in our RC circuit. Now you need to draw the response of RC circuit by using this final response. By using this value, we need to take some tau values. We need to draw the one response of RC circuit. Okay, if you are taking t equal to tau, our response is I equal to minus, not minus, that is 0.36 into V by R. Okay, 0.36 into V by R. If you are taking t equal to tau, the t equal to tau substitute in our final response, I am getting 0.36 into V by R. Okay, Now simply you to take t equal to 2 tau, our response is 0.13 into V by R. Okay. Now the next value is t equal to 3 tau. The third value is 0.04 V by R. Similarly, you have to take 4, 5 up to so on, no issue. But I am taking only 3 values. If t equal to tau, from t equal tau to t equal to 3 tau. Okay. Just assume one graph. The y-axis comes to t values. Okay, not y-axis. X-axis comes to t values and y-axis comes to our response values. Our response is current values or V by R values. In terms of V by R, that I equal to in terms of V by R. Okay, these are t. Now if you are taking t equal to tau, now what's our final response? 0.36 V by R. 0.36 V by R. That is this one. This is the first point. If you are taken t equal to 2 tau, the value is 0.13, I think. This is a point. T equal to 3 tau, these are next point. And similarly, the total curve is start from maximum point and it is end with minimum point. This is a total graph of transient response of RC circuit. Okay, with different t values.